This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we'll be installing a new door lock to replace the old style door lock found on the Frigidaire and GE style washing machines. It's actually a pretty easy procedure to do. Here's a picture of the old style lock that's no longer sold, and pretty easy to remove this from the washer. This is a picture of the new style door lock that's common for all the new washers, and it has to be installed with a new wiring harness, which is pretty easy to do. It's just a matter of matching the colored wires. Here's the entire kit. Costs between as low as $130 as high as $210. It comes with everything that you need. And first thing you need to do is remove the front of the boot by just tearing it away from the points where it's glued onto the frame, mainly over near the door lock, just so you can get to the door lock. You need to remove the lower panel where the pump is located, and also gives you access to the motor control, which is in the lower right hand side near the back. In this picture, the motor control has been pulled out forward where I could get to it, and I put in the 9-pin wire connector, and then the 9-pin wire connector from the washer goes into this module. Notice that the right and left sides here, the colors match: purple on top and yellow on the bottom. That's very important for the machine to work properly. And then this is a picture of the pump. We have a pink and white wire that comes from the washer, goes into the harness, which is the module we see in the upper right hand corner, and the harness one goes into the pump. This again is a picture of the same wire. The green one from the washer goes into the red and white wire from the harness. In this picture, we're connecting the red and white wire from the washer to the red and white wire from the harness. The black connector is the one from the washer, the white connector is from the harness. In this picture, we're connecting the blue and white wire from the washer to the blue and white wire from the harness. Here we have the black wire from the harness to the black wire from the washer. Pretty easy. In this picture, it's the black and red wire from the washer to the black and red wire from the harness. And the following pictures are just showing the instructions and the schematic that comes with the kit. Fairly simple to follow. There are some serial numbers where you have to modify the 9-pin connector slightly for serial numbers below, I think it's 790 on the serial number. So overall, pretty easy experience, and would allow you to have your washer back working and spinning properly, which is great. And we just don't have an ability to get the old style locks anymore, so this one works really well, and hope you have good luck. Let me know if you have any questions.